Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Unique. I'm currently in my bathroom. I recently moved and this bathroom setup is so different than the bathroom setup in my last place. So I have to reorganize all of my skincare. I figured I'd just pull out the camera and show you guys what I did, bring you along for the journey. So let me show you the space that I'm working with. Okay, so this is basically the space that I'm going to be using to store all of my skincare. It looks like a very good space, but what I've realized is that even though it's a big open space, it's really tall, which means that I need to really utilize like the vertical space. And I have too many products to just like fill out the entire bottom of the cabinet, you know what I mean? And when I say I have a lot of products, girl, I have a lot of products. Like, let me show you what we're working with. So I've pretty much just been living out of these two bins. I mean, I had a couple of things already stored in that cabinet, but I took them all out because the first step in organization is pull everything out so you can see what kind of space that you're dealing with, and so that I can have a better idea of the organizing system and products that I'm going to need. But this is all skincare, and then over here is more like body care. I think it's mostly body care, lotions, soaps, spray pans, all that good stuff. But this bin is basically just all skincare stuff, and this is not the extent of my skincare collection, but this is all the stuff that I use and grab for frequently, which looks like a lot, and it is, but that's why you're here, right? Exactly. So the first thing I need to do is go through this bin and really figure out and narrow down exactly what it is that I need to store to like right here in reach, and what I can probably keep like in my linen closet or in my office, because my office has a closet too. So I'll probably put the stuff that I'm not using regularly. A lot of this stuff I use regularly. We'll figure it out, girl. We'll figure it out. But let's just go through this bin, figure out what I'm keeping, and then we'll figure out what I need for this cabinet. With y'all, I'm probably just going to Amazon a bunch of things. I'll probably be shopping at Amazon. I might go out to Home Goods, but I'm not going to bring y'all with me. Like, I don't have a gimbal, so I'm not going to be out here struggling trying to hold this camera. That's not going to happen. So I'm going to go shopping. Once the stuff comes in, I'll be back to show you what I got and how we throw this all together. I thought I got all my measurements right, but let me show you what happened. Okay. So, and remember I said I needed to make sure that I'm utilizing all of my vertical space, right? So I ordered this storage system off of Amazon. It has like these drawers on sliders, so it'll be perfect to utilize like the depth of my cabinet, but also the height, because then you get two drawers, a deep drawer, a shallow drawer, but then I can use the top of this as another shelf. So my idea was to put two of these underneath my cabinets, and then on top of that shelf, I could use like a tier system to put like my perfumes or all of the products that I use all the time. So I got this, it's a spice rack, but it is acrylic, so it's clear, and then it also has this like textured padding on the inside to keep everything from sliding around. So it's really nice, you know, fits my aesthetic. Look, I'm matching it. It fits my aesthetic. However, let me just show you the problem that I ran into. I got two of them, right? So I built the first one and I went to go slide it in, and no bueno. This middle piece won't let it go in. So make sure when you're doing this that you measure your opening. So like from where this part of the cabinet starts to your bar, if you have one. I'm renting, so I don't want to remove this bar just in case something happens. I don't need those kinds of stress. So I'm not going to remove the bar. I tried to also build this inside up there, but then the pipe got in the way. So it's just no bueno, no bueno. But it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these in my linen closet, because in my linen closet in the bathroom, the ceilings are pretty high. So there's a lot of vertical space on that top shelf that I can use too. So I'm just going to put this on the top shelf in my linen closet and use it for like those extra products that I have, extra deodorant, soap, those kinds of things. It'll go in there, back stock. So I just ended up walking around Home Goods and I found these cabinet shelves. I got 2 of them. They are 12 by 10 by 6.75 inches, which is perfect for me to put in here. And it was only $8 for the shelf, so it's not too bad. And then these little silver legs fold down, so it's easy for me to put this in and get it back out. I got 2, but I'm gonna put 1 on my husband's side because I can't fit 2 of them in here the way that I want to use my spice rack. I want the shelf to sit horizontally, so then I can put my tiered shelf on top of it like this, and that'll let me use the vertical height. I'm still looking for some other, I still have a lot of space up here that is not being utilized. So I'm still on the hunt for some kind of shelving system that will allow me to use more of this height that I have up here. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna work with what we got for now because my products are all over the place and I'm ready to get them in a home. Because you know how it is when you buy stuff but you can't touch it, so you forget that you bought it, so you buy multiple. No, just me? Just me? Okay. All right, well, let's start, shall we? Okay guys, so this is the final product. Definitely have to figure out another shelf situation for over here because this is definitely not the most sturdiest, but I basically put all of my favorite hair products, or the ones that I reach for the most, in this little basket. It's a drawer, so I can slide it out. I just have to be very careful not to drop my perfumes. This is the perfumes that I tend to grab for the most. So I put them, like I said, on this little tiered shelf, which is meant for seasonings, but That's what I'm storing there now. It's all the perfumes that I grab for the most. And then I have all my skincare products that I reach for the most, and some body care too. So these are all of my toners, some sunscreen, my hyperpigmentation treatment back there, my different, some moisturizers, my favorite moisturizer there, more treatments, my favorite mask, and then all the serums. The Ordinary Crew is right here, okay? And then all the other serums that I tend to reach for, my MCT oil, my cleansers, my Sonic cleansing brush, my at-home laser treatment thing, and then my fancy tools like my Ava roller and my Remy massage roller. So that is pretty much how I'm organizing my skincare right now. Once I figure out this situation, I'll be sure to update you guys on what I find that fits in this space and doesn't hit the plumbing back there. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know to give you more content just like this. And let me know what you're currently using to organize your skincare, or is that a project that you need to do next? I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.